When I look around, I fall in love with the nature. Allah's creation, His beautiful creation. Everything I see around me amazes me, with His blessings. The air we breathe, the water we drink, the food we eat. This whole universe that He made. The sun and the moon travel with precision. Who else can do this? His blessing in the form of rain. This beauty, after the rain, this snowfall. Can anyone else create forests like these? The plants, trees and flowers around us. This fresh air to breathe and feel. The wind that blows around us. This natural beauty. The lake and its peaceful waves. Look at the sea. Who else can give us this? Sometimes words fall short to express our gratitude.
Now let's see His beautiful creation that He made for us.